Okay, now we're going to continue with chapter 5 and we're going to skip over to octave identification. Hopefully this isn't too confusing for you, but you should just know that there are 4 or 5 different octaves depending on what kind of piano you're looking at. If you're looking at a full-size piano, there's actually 8. There's 8 different ranges, okay? So you're thinking about these octaves depending on what C you are starting at. The ones that I personally care about the most here is that you know where middle C is. Middle C. Middle C is C4. That means that you are in the 4th octave of your piano, okay? That's all well and good, but you really just have to know what those other notes are in relation to middle C, in relation to C4. So if you go from middle C and you find the C that is higher, that is C5, which means that all of these notes in the middle right here, they're also part of the 4 octave. So if this is C4, this is D4, this is E4, F4, G4, A4, B4, and now you're back at C, so now you're at C5. And then it keeps going. C5, D5, E5, F5, and so on and so forth. The same is true for all these black keys, right? Those sharps and flats that we've been talking about. If you're here at C4, this would mean that this is C sharp 4. Or if you were paying attention to the last video, also D flat 4, right? They're enharmonic. So C sharp 4 or D flat 4. Here's your D4. Here is D sharp 4 or E flat 4, because remember, enharmonic, same exact note. E4, F4, F sharp 4, or G flat 4, right? Depending on what you're looking at. G4, G sharp 4, or enharmonically A flat 4, either one is fine. A4, A sharp or B flat 4, B4, and then you're at C5. Whenever you get to the next C that is higher, going this way on the piano, the number goes up. So C4, all of the 4s, C5, all of the 5s, C6, all of the 6s, C7, way up there, all of the 7s. The numbers go down when you go to the left. So here's C4. If you find the lower C, remember C is next to these 2 pairs right here, that would be C3, that goes lower. If you go even lower to the next C, low, C2, and then even lower, whoa, C1, okay? Not my favorite note, but there it is. So C1, C2, C3, C4, also known as middle C, C5, C6, C7, and then there is no C8. Well, there is, but not on this piano. So hopefully this helps you understand the difference between which octave you are in.